Bismillah.
Santai.
Kok kaget ini, untung Mbak. Ya.
Okay, lainnya. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about our presentation. As you may see from the title, How Smart Door Lock Works. First of all, let me introduce you to the member of the group. First, we got Sultan Diksansilo, and then Muhammad Suki Kamal, Jemi Nugroho, Febri Widaryanto, and myself, Najwa Widya Prasasti. This presentation is divided into 4 parts. For the first part, we had Febri to explain what is smart door lock. Go, Febri.
What is smart door lock? A smart door lock is a lock that has a more sophisticated locking system than the traditional tumbler lock. Keypad, fob-enabled wireless, and biometric are just a few of the type of smart door lock available. Smart door lock can connect to a network and be controlled remotely from a smartphone or computer interface. This is a very straightforward and simple definition. So let's dig a little deeper and see how smart door lock can be an important part of a home security system. Smart lock have created a new home security experience with customization feature and functionality designed of to give you control over what happens to your home. They go way beyond the capabilities of ordinary locks. Many come with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, which increase the ability to use remote feature. If a smart lock had only Bluetooth connectivity, you'd have connection problem if your front door was too far from your smart home hub.
Okay, thank you, Febri. Next slide, we had history smart door lock will be explained by Sultan and Jamie. First, Sultan.
Okay. In the early years, smart door locks were almost synonymous with high-end home improvement. In fact, since the entry of smart door lock into our country, there have been nearly 20 years of development history. However, the cost of smart door lock at the time was still very expensive, and some of them were not good enough in the experience. The earliest use of smart door lock in the country is the hotel industry. This kind of hotel lock is opened through card and other radio frequency SIMs. It brings convenience to the user to the greatest extent, and also make the management of the hotel more simple and effective, avoiding the storage inconvenience and management confusion caused by mechanical keys. According to the 2017 Smart Lock Application and Development White Paper released by Alibaba in conjunction with a number of smart door lock manufactured in 2017, smart door locks are often present in a stand-alone smartphone in the form of combination of password and fingerprint. Before 2010, and the mechanical lock structure is retained, but in actual use, this kind of door lock is almost a single solution to the problem of unlocking, and there is no other redundant function. At the time, the smart door lock is more like an electronic door lock, and many hotel door locks are still in this form.
Thank you, Sultan. Okay, next, Jamie. You can continue.
From 2011, manufacturers seem to be exploring more advanced direction for smart door lock. During this time period, the smart door lock was developed from a single door lock to a omnidirectional smart lock, which added to SIM's communication function. Although the door lock cannot be connected at this time, it is possible to send a text message to user's mobile phone remotely and has certain remote security capabilities. Since 2015, more and more intelligent door locks with networking capabilities have entered our field of vision. With the Internet of Things and fingerprint biolocking technology, the development of smart door locks has once again ushered in the spring. Today, guests can set the smart door lock through the mobile app, and the smart door lock can be linked with the smart product in the room to achieve the application of intelligent scenes, such as the lights will be turned on when people enter the room. With the real-time remote alarm function, more and more smart door locks have begun to adopt C-class lock core, which really raise the safety of the smart door lock to a new height.
Okay, excellent, Jamie. Next slide, we had how smart door lock works will be explained by Suki.
A smart lock has a various law that allow you to unlock your phone door without needing a physical voice key. In short, these products enable you to unlock your door without your traditional key. Smart lock can be accessed through a mobile phone app from your smart home. Yet, smart lock have a key chip embedded on the lock so that a access code can be entered. The lock have access to your smart home Wi-Fi so you can lock or unlock your door anytime. This switch allows the lock to restrict the locking code or phone the mobile phone to come on the either lock or unlock your door. Yet, intelligent lock require a complete agreement of the lock system, but others can fit right over the existing setup on the door. Smart door lock keep you and your loved one safe when school. Smart door lock are just one of the many smart home security devices available today. They are similar to conventional lock, but offer so much more. You can get access to content people, monitor and be notified when someone enter or exit the location, and remotely control the lock from your smart home. Smart door lock are easy and effective solution for that.
Okay, thank you, Suki. For the next slide, I would be conclude remote access to lock or unlock the door without physical user interaction. The system fulfills the requirements of supporting autonomous locking devices and easy key distribution compared to physical keys. The system has minimum requirements for hardware and supports customization of keys. The intrusion alert enhanced the security of the system. The prototype build shows that the design consumes minimal power and the locking or unlocking of the door happens in 4 seconds of an average. The system proposed is feasible. Thank you for your attention. See you guys.
Okay, see you.